Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send videos on Discord PC. So the first step you need to do is to open the website, that is I am God, the magic of the internet. So once you open this website, click on new post and you need to here you can see choose photo or video, or so click here, and I want to upload this video for example, and it will take some time to upload. So only 60 seconds videos allowed. So let me go back, click here, and now I'm going to select a video that is shorter. So for example this one. Okay, now it is uploading. So once uploading is complete, so wait for few seconds. Here you can see that grab link, copy that, go back on Discord, paste that link here, and once link is added you simply need to hit enter, and after that it will be shared like this into the Discord. So this is a process that you need to follow to send videos on Discord PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.